that humans need 8 hours to sleep every day, but with bears it's different. How much do you think bears sleep? Bears sleep the whole winter. This is called hibernation. All of this reminds me of a story named The Bear Snores On. Do you want to hear it? Yes. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a gray brown bear. Cuddling in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. From the fluff cold snow. They're too dark. But the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes, sneak peek in the dark. Who's there? Hi, Mouse. Long time no see. They pop white corn. And they brew black tea. But the bear snores on. I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share. I brought honey nuts, let's get lazy. And they nibble and they munch with a chew and a chomp and a crunch. But the bear snores on. What a nut! What a nut! What a thorn! Rabbit stokes the fire. Mouse seasons too. Then a small pepper snake the bear. Achoo! knocking down there, and all had fun. But me, I was sleeping, have had none. Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can still pop more corn, we can still more tea. There sighs with delight, and he tells the tale through the long night. But when the sun comes up, Bear can't sleep, but he can't snore on. This reminds me of a song. Let's dance.
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, jamming, singing gummy bear. Oh, yeah, gummy bear. Gummy bear. Pointing, but don't hurry. Pointing, but don't hurry. Pointing, but don't hurry. Hurry, pop. Pointing, but don't hurry. Pointing, but don't hurry. Pointing, but don't hurry. Hurry, pop. Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, jamming, singing gummy bear. Oh, yeah. Three times you can ride it. Three times you can ride it. Gummy bear. Gummy bear.